See, when we're in the studio, Bud just sits down and he just starts singing something in a very low voice. Next thing, jam don't drop. I say, what happened? I think go toilet, go piss, Bud just on mic, jam don't drop. So did you used to write then?
No,
So-
I never.
So how do you remember all the lyrics, and like how do you just never write anything?
Yeah, I don't know.
Don't you even have like, don't you write notes on your phone or nothing?
Nothing. I record voice notes of melodies.
Okay.
Because I think that's one of my gifts. Is like I get melodies in my head all the
Melody
time.
to what?
Just to random shit.
To the air.
Guy to the air, and then trust me, like I'll hear one beat, and then that melody that I heard in my head, it will
We'll now
with the
go with
beat.
that. Okay, I'm getting.
Do you understand?
I'm getting.
Because
Makes sense.
there are only so many chords in music.
I get
think
you, yeah.
there are a few. I don't know how many exactly,
Yeah. I
but there
feel
are only
you on
a
that.
few. So, you find that a lot of things are like maybe I'm a piano. You can sing that thing on like
Yeah,
50 different beats of
Fair,
songs
fair,
that
fair,
are out
fair.
already. Do you get what I'm
Fair,
saying?
fair.
And it will work. You know,
That's
so
why when they were suing Ed Sheeran for
exactly.
it
You
wasn't
feel
good.
me? But yeah, so I guess that's one of the gifts I have. I get melodies in my head, I record them, and then so I record melodies first most times
before
I put the words in. But sometimes the words and melodies come together. I just ginger.
Interesting.
While you're saying that, I'll tell you people this one's process.
Oh god.
This nigga. So first of all, this is probably the weirdest human being I've met in my life. Do you understand? This guy, apart from being an artist, he's also a tech guy. You know? Tech. I don't really understand the P. I've asked him so many times to like explain.
Tell you though.
I always just try to tell him, explain this P to me. Okay, how does it work? This, that, the other. And it just doesn't sound. It just doesn't make sense in my own brain, Sha. So me, I think all of them are fraud boys. Do you understand? Because they also have so much money. Do you understand what I'm saying? They have so much money. But let me not digress too much. What I wanted to say is about how this guy comes into the studio with his laptop. Yeah?
Facts.
And he opens up his laptop and writes his lyrics on his laptop on Microsoft Word. Like he's writing an essay or writing an email. And I think that is the weirdest thing I've seen from an artist so far. I haven't even seen anybody do that. So explain yourself.
Boy.
What is that about?
Okay, so I'm like, where do we start from now?
Why can't you
Okay.
use your phone? Why is this such a thing that you must bring out your laptop?
Hang on, I have a reason why. When I started writing like proper writing, I was in uni, right? And when I'm doing like, what made me like start writing a lot is like I'll be doing like an essay or something boring, and like something repetitive or something like very dead. And the other side of my brain, when I'm bored, I want to take a break. Not even want to take a break. When I'm bored with doing this thing, the other part of my brain just wants to start thinking creatively. It's like when you're sleeping and you're dreaming, right? So when you're doing something mundane and boring, the other side, there's science behind it, but there's another side of my brain will just start thinking, and I have to like write immediately.
Okay.
Now, that makes me like start typing. Like if I'm working on like a Word document or whatever, I'll just open another one and start typing. What happened over time was that when you're now trying to write with your phone, you make so many mistakes. I have big thumbs. Like,
I think
and
that's
that
what
year,
it is. I think
they
that's
didn't have
what
this
it
kind
is.
of big iPhone. They had like small phones, and like with BlackBerry though, I used to write on my BlackBerry when I had one, and that was cool. But after that, like it was difficult on touchscreen to write fast, so it was difficult for me to be pressing like this. So I just stuck to like writing on my laptop, and I just got used to the white of like the Microsoft Word and stuff.
Okay.
But then I write on my notes now most times, but still with my laptop.
Okay.
Not on my phone, because my phone is dead. I even prefer to freestyle sometimes. Like either I'm freestyling or I'm typing on my laptop. My phone is the last resort.